Hey there guys, my Orchard Videos. Well, I'm doing a little experiment, just seeing what we can grow. These are onions. I actually had some onions in a bag there, and actually was starting to turn to seed. So I thought I would, well, I've actually had them in water for a couple weeks, but I like eating this kind of fruit salad. Get them in cans here. And I thought, well, it had coffee grounds in there. I thought put the onions in coffee grounds and see if they grow. Just a little experiment. I mean, had them in water. They're growing like crazy, right? Just regular house water. So, anyways, we'll put them in the cans here and see how they go. I mean, just doing a little experiment. So my light went out on my thing here. So, anyways, we'll do a little experiment on this and see what happens. So we can do. Next thing I want to try is a potato. See if it grows in the can in coffee grounds. Alright guys, stay tuned for progress on this little project. See ya.